Hey you guys, welcome back for another fun lunch idea. So for this Easter themed lunch, I am going to pack the kids some wraps. For Josiah's wrap, he only has mayo and turkey. For Joseph's wrap, he has mayo, mustard, turkey, and that's all. For Naya's lunch, she has mayo, mustard, cheese, and turkey. For their sides, I'm going to go ahead and give them some mango and also some pasta salad. So for the pasta salad, you're going to of course need the noodles, some Italian dressing, diced tomatoes, diced cucumbers, diced pepper jack cheese, and diced cheddar cheese. I'm just going to go ahead and mix all of this together. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some pepperoni minis, some pepper, salt, and salad supreme. And last but not least, I'm going to add some broccoli. Whoops, a little bit came out of the bowl, but that's okay. I found some Twix flavored yogurt for them. I didn't even know they made this, you guys. If you guys have ever tried this, go ahead and leave a comment down below of how you like it. Now I'm just putting 2 mini airheads inside of these cute little carrot containers. For the drink, I'm going to send each child with a strawberry watermelon sparkling ice, and my kids love these. Let me know down below if you like this drink also. So to start off for my daughter, she has her 2 wraps, her mango, pasta salad, airheads, her Twix yogurt, and her sparkling ice. For my son Joseph, he has 4 wraps, his sparkling ice, mango, pasta salad, Twix yogurt, and his airheads. For my son Saya, he has his sparkling ice, his 2 wraps, pasta salad, mango, airheads, and his Twix yogurt. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because I will be posting more, but I'll talk to you all in my next video.